Hi, my name is Mushaman Ahmad, Computer and Communication Engineering Year 1. Together with my team, we worked on a student record management system using C programming language. Our problem statement is, in the current situation at universities, lecturers and operators use manual tools to handle student records, which is erroneous and is tiresome. So we came up with a command line based tool using C programming language that helps to record and capture student information, save the student information. It is file based and we can retrieve this information at any time we want. My teammates worked on different functions that came up to this general program. They're going to be explaining each function as they go through.
My name is Abdul Latif Kangula, Electrical Year 1. So part of my program, I'm handling the login function. The login function is a basic implementation of authentication. What it actually does is that it's collecting a username and a password from you, the person who wants to log in into the program, and then it's using a string compare function that allows it to compare what you've input and what it actually has that was already preset. So when it compares those two and it returns a 0, that means access has been granted, like the authentication has actually worked. When it's returning a 1, then you've been denied access. That means that what you input into the function actually does not match the preset original values. So you've been denied access.
My name is Mwanje Ian, doing Bachelor of Computer and Communications Engineering, Year 1. My contribution was implementing the Add Students function in our students management system. This function was responsible for registering new students by collecting their registration number, name, and academic program. Using FGETs, the system safely captures the text input, while a switch statement validates the selected program and assigns either BCCE, BELE, and Bio. After creating the student record, a loop initializes all marks to 0 and sets the CGPA to 00, ensuring a clean academic profile. The system then displays a summary of the student's details and asks for confirmation before calling the Save Student function to permanently store the record. This module serves as the entry point for all student data used throughout the system. Thank you.
My name is Kaziwa Joshua, Electrical Year 1. In the program, we are going to deal with updates on to be done on the file, and I'm working on the pass function, which enables us to update, whereby it's going to read and convert the student line in the file into a student structure in the memory that enables us to perform and do operations on the file.
My name is Namba Asilda, doing Electrical Engineering Year 1, and I'm going to talk about the Write Students function as it is used in our code. So the Write Students function converts the student struct back into the line that is stored in the file. So when as my previous colleague has talked about the persistent struct function, and together with the Write Students function, they form a bridge between the persistent storage and the running application. Thank you.
My name is Agatha Buluk. I'm a student of Computer and Communications Engineering, and I'm going to be talking about the Set Student function. The Set Student function is used to retrieve student records from a file using the registration number. It reads a file line by line, extracts and compares registration numbers, and when it finds a match, it converts the text record into a student struct using a pass student function before finally displaying the student's information using the display student function.